guys, so today is going to be my boxycharm video. This is September's boxycharm. I realized that it is super late and it's October, I think, when this comes out. This box got to me so late. Everything literally came so much faster, and then this I've been waiting for. Alright, so if you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. And if you are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you get all the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. So let's just jump right into this. This month I didn't actually pick anything out. This was, I think I either missed it or they didn't let us pick. I have no idea. I totally missed it, but this one is what this looks like, and it says glam vibes only. So I'm just gonna set that aside. So this is what my inside of the box looks like. This is really cute. So let's pull out, let's pull out this and see what this is first. This is Lavido, I think it's called, inspired by nature. This is a hydrating hand cream, and it smooths, protects, and nourishes, it says. This is from Israel. It says to massage in your hands and cuticles. That is what the bottle looks like. Obviously, there is there's the flower right here on it is what one of the ingredients is, and like patchouli, that's I think what it's called, vanilla and shea butter. Comes with a little thingy. Honestly, I'm not going to open this because I have I'm having problems. I have so many creams and stuff on the go that if I open this up, then it starts to stop smelling as well. So I'm just going to put that aside and keep it for when I need hand cream, or honestly, it might go to like my sister or something. Honestly, I don't like getting hand creams in these kind of boxes because I am not seeing something else in this box that I think it replaced. I'm okay with it. So that is a so this is a $14 hand cream. Okay, up next, let's jump into these. This is from Luna Magic. I don't really know what Luna Magic is. I've never heard of this brand before, but on here it literally says Los Angeles, New York, Luna Magic. I'm gonna have to Google them. And then it says on this side, beauty with a Latin vibe. So that's cute. I really like this case. Let's see. I don't know what these brushes look like. Oh, that is so crazy. So this is the cool case, and it's very unicorny, mermaid-esque. And then these are the brushes. Look at the colors of these. These are so elementary school-ish kind of colors. All right, so in here there is 4 different brushes, and this one's obviously the biggest one, so they don't say anything on them. It says Luna Magic on them, but they don't actually say what they're for. So this one's obviously a blending brush, because that's what a blending brush usually looks like. This, I don't know. I guess I could use that to contour my nose or whatever, but this is like a little domed brush, which is cute. I really like these. These are really, really soft. Let's just see what the price of these brushes are. These are $18 for the brush set. And it's a 4-piece brush set. It's an eye look. These are cruelty-free brushes that include essential brushes for your glamorous eye looks. Be precise, be bold. Blend it, girl, it says. Okay, so I don't really know what this one, maybe this could be for like an all over shadow brush, but that's pretty big. I'm definitely probably not going to be using this for an eyeshadow brush, but I like these. In here is, I know what this is. I know it's a palette of some sort. Let's just dive into this. This is from Farmacy, and this is the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C eye cream with cherries in it. So this is the really cute little box. So this is what it looks like. This is an eye cream. So it's a brightening eye cream, which is kind of funny because I actually use the Maracuja oil one from Tarte. It doesn't really have that much of a scent, which is probably a good thing. So it's just clear. Of course, it's an eye cream. That is nice. Let's just check to see what this costs. This is a $45 eye cream. That's actually pretty good though, considering it's 15 milliliters. Eye creams usually come in like smaller containers. I don't hate it, that's for sure. And then I've got 2 more items in here, and let's just dive into this here. This is from Blinc Cosmetics, or Blinc, whatever they want to call it. This is a limited edition evening glamour palette. I like the outside of it. It's not very big. It's kind of like, okay, so then there's a mirror, and this is what the palette looks like. So in here is a blush, and I think it's probably a bronzer. It's very dark. And then there is 6 eyeshadows. I will not use the midnight one, but the rest of them are pretty good. I don't even know if I want to swatch this because I might get rid of this. This is what I've been saying for like every single palette that has shown up in this box in the last little while. I don't know. Honestly, these shadows here are okay. Obviously, everyone needs like a dark matte brown, but like this and this obviously are very contrasting colors. So actually, you probably could use this too as an eyeshadow. So this palette is a $26 palette. Okay, so $26 isn't that bad for a palette, especially one that is from Blinc, I guess. Blinc isn't, I don't really know too much about Blinc. And there's one more product in here, and this is from Huda Beauty. This is the Matte and Metals Melted Shadows, and Bubble Bath and Pink Champagne is the color that it's in. This is what it looks like. And I think one side's matte and one side is not. So let's take a look at, so that's the matte side there. It's very, very light. No, that's not bad. It's very, very, very light, which is okay. Light colors don't bother me. And then this is what the metallic-y side looks like. And I'm just going to do a, ooh. Of course I like that one. And both of these are different brushes. One's a doe foot, and then the metallic is like an actual brush. So there's that. Those actually would look super cute together. If you threw in this eyeshadow as well, and maybe a little bit of this one, that would be a super cute look. Not gonna lie, it has been a little while since I have actually opened my boxycharm and have been excited to try anything in it. So yeah, the Huda Beauty is a $25 product. Honestly, I've had better boxes that cost more, but with all the products that I got in the boxes, I'm actually pretty kind of happy with them. Usually I'm kind of like lately, but that was everything in September's boxycharm. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!